A very lovely good morning to all my dear students. Dear students, I welcome you for class 4th and you are having a new session. You enjoyed your last session also. In this session also we will do different activities and we will learn new things. So today we are going to do chapter number 1 of our SST book, that is India, our nation. As we have already discussed about this, so we know that India is our country and it is a very beautiful country with great diversity. With great diversity means in India there so many people lived. They use different languages, they wear different dresses, and even they are from different religions. They they celebrate so many festivals also. So because of this there is diversity in India, but whether there is diversity, we all are one. India is united, and India is the 7th largest country according to the area, and if we will look after its population, so India is at 2nd place and it is the largest democracy in India. The geographical features of India includes two features. These are physical and political features. You have seen different maps. Political maps we say, or physical maps. Political maps, you can see there are different boundaries inside that, but in physical map there are no boundaries. So the map that you can see on the screen, it is the physical map of India. Now what do you mean by physical features of India? It involves size and the area and different boundaries and various landforms like mountains, plains, plateaus, etc. And the geography of India, it measures 3214 kilometers from north to south and 2993 kilometers from east to west. And the southern part of India is surrounded by 3 water boundaries. These are the different names: the Indian Ocean in the south and the Bay of Bengal in the southeast, Arabian Sea in the southwest, and the northern part of India is protected by high mountain ranges. And India shares its borders with Pakistan in the west, Nepal, Bhutan and Republic of India in the northeast, Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east, Sri Lanka, Maldives and Indonesia are our neighbors, all in the Indian Oceans. Here you can see this is the political map of India. Political map, in this you can see there are boundaries. And now we will discuss about political features of India. Political feature in India, it reflects 28 states and 8 union territories along with their boundaries, capitals and cities. And what is the difference between a state and a union territory? A state has its own government. A state always ruled by a government, but the difference between union territory is a union territory is always ruled by the President of India through their representatives. And the largest state in India is Rajasthan, wherever the smallest state of India is Goa. And if we will talk about the area of our country, it is 3.287 million kilometers square, and the telephone code of our country is +91. You have observed that whenever you are having a call or whenever you are giving a call to your friends, to your parents, to your relatives, whenever you are dialing a number, at that time already automatically it is plus 91 added there. So that means plus 91, it is the country code of India. These are the different states of India with their capitals. We have already discussed about the states and the capitals. There are 28 states in India and their capitals, and there are 8 union territories. You have to learn the states with their capital names. And in India we see people, they speak many languages, they follow different cultures, they follow different religions, and even they celebrate a number of festivals. Yet they all are one. So because of that, India is referred to as a country that shows unity in diversity. So this was our chapter. It was totally about our India physical features, political features and geographical parts. So I request you all that you all need to do the chapter very clearly. You need to learn the states and the capitals and even union territories also. Thank you. Have a nice day.